It's a rainy Thursday and I'm with my brother and we're gonna go buy some supplies. This is what it's like to be in a tropical country. Oh. They're selling sewing kits. They're selling sewing kits here in the grocery store. So
Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling.
soft drink, soft drink, soft drink, soft drink, soft drink, soft drink, soft drink. Soft drink, highly sus. It's what you need to drink if you are having an existential crisis. Because you gotta be accepting of what you are, especially if you're a grass hoe. Accept your inner grass hoe, man. So my brother and I are done here. We got our supplies. And mom wants us to buy ice cream for dessert. Oh well.